Okay, guys, so what I would like to tell you, what information broker not telling you. So if you are trading forex, maybe you try different strategies, different methods, but y- uh, even if strategy you see it's profitable, in one day it may blow your account. So this what average trader see on while trading forex. But uh, in my opinion, big mistake for all people. They are not following their trading system. But even if you have profitable trading system, you may earn additional money while trading forex. So let me show you. Here's my VPS servers. Each server are connected to trading system and trading account. So here is my trading account, trading live, and account balance, current positions. They are in profit, as you can see. And for today results, you can see, yes. Okay, sort. So this is profit. This is rebate earning, IB commissions. So yes, you can register. So first tip, what you can use, you can register as IB. IB means introduction broker, and you can open a second account under your IB. So they will provide you, broker will provide you affiliate link, and under this affiliate link you can open a trading account, another trading account, for example, on your family member or maybe your wife, for example. Yes. And you can put money on this second account, so you can top up it and trade start trading as usually you do. Yes. And on this account, what is registered like an IB, you will earn a cut from broker's commission. So from every trade, it doesn't matter if it's in profit or it's in loss, you will get a cut from broker's commission back to this account. So this is the first tip. And second tip, not so what I have discovered, not all brokers show their, yes, you can see spread. Brokers show spread, but not all brokers show how much you can earn on swap. Swap, it's when you trade all day and leave position overnight. So you leave it, and next day starts, you will be credited swap earning. Or if uh, so swap can be negative or positive. So here you can see, so here we don't see anything. Sorry, let me check another account. Yes, here you can see that swap earnings are added, so it's positive. Yes, here you can see some negative swap. So where you can see such information? So if you are using MT4 broker, select currency pair what you are trading, right click and click on specification. Here we can see uh, swap for long, as you can see it's negative, and swap for short. So as you can see, if we start selling this currency pair euro GBP, we will keep earning. If we will use minimal lot size on this lot size, we will earn such money. And if we will keep buying on such lot size every night, so for next day you'll be a negative on such amount. So basically what you can do, let me show you simple strategy. So this is another my account, trading account. It's like I'm holding not much money here, like 5k, but it's used like more like investment. You can tell me that, oh, you got here some negative deals, so it's bad investment. Not at all, guys. Let me show you. If I'll click reports, position report, Let me load, so it will load my account statement, and I will show you some information what is not visible on trading account. Yes, this is also for swap. So swap not showing on this trading account. It's JForex. I'll click on position report, and here we can see open positions. So here is swap. So you can see it's calculating, adding, it's profitable. So for example, this currency pair USD Mexican peso. I have only two orders here. So you can see swap earnings covers this negative position. So I can close these two deals and I will earn like this. Yes. So strategy is pretty simple. I calculate how much this currency pair can go in in different direction, and I calculate on how big step I should add uh, next order. So, and I'm not holding these positions for too long. So two options here. If trade pulls back like here in 1% in 42, yeah. So it will be all closed automatically by take profit. Swap earnings will cover all brokers commission, plus it will be added some money on my trading account. And as well, if it will be closed in take profit, I will earn a good profit. If it keep going up, I have added more orders, and as you can see, it's a euro and Poland zloty. So it may go up to this level. So it's 3% more. And I'm ready for this, guys. And if it goes even on such level, I'll be in future in more profit because I will earn more on swap, and more orders will be closed in profit, and average price will be even better. Sometimes I close so this grid, it was already 3 times closed in profit. So when price goes here, I close all these orders in profit and then take profit for these all orders move around here. If it's not closed and price pulls back, I keep opening orders again, like as you can see. So basically what I would like to tell, my account was around 4,000 and now it's moving closely to 5,000 equity. And it's not my main account, so I use just for like investment, as I told, because this strategy is absolutely risk-free what I'm using for swap earnings. And so in this video I show you how to search swap, and for JForex you should simply click select currency pair, yes, and click here. And here you can see so here is minimum lot size. You can increase it if you like. And here you can see how daily short swap you can earn. Depends on how big positions you will calculate. Yes, so it's daily what you would earn. So if, for example, if you open position for one lot size, then daily from just swap you will earn such money. So all is simple, just need to calculate your risk and then you are ready to go. I will put some links in video description below, so you can contact me on Telegram and check strategy what I'm using. I have robots already made, so they do everything automatically. And if you want, you can install a robot and start earning good profit like this. Okay guys, thank you for watching and have a nice day.